Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you what hair I use for my boho braids. I feel like people are always constantly on the search for the best hair for boho braids, trying to figure out how they can make it last, which isn't the one they should get. So I am going to give my personal recommendation about what I love about this hair that I've had for over a month, and it still looks good. My boho's still bohoing, still curly, still separate-y. I could run my fingers through it, and not all that connection-y, kind of constantly pulling and ripping them apart. I think you guys are really going to like this combination. So if you know what it is, gotta keep watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I truly appreciate it, and I hope you find it helpful. But if you could do me a favor first and subscribe to the channel, it is an easy and free way for you to support the channel, and we're on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so I need your help. So please click that subscribe button, like this video if you like the video, and hit the notification bell if you want to be first to know when I go live or when I post a new video. So these are the boho braids in question. So I did get these a month ago for my birthday month extravaganza, to make sure that I had a protective style that I could wear on vacation to Barbados, that I could wear to the cowboy car tour, and that I just would be able to have fun, live my life, and not have to worry about doing for my hair for a couple weeks. So I absolutely loved it. I have it in a top knot little ponytail right now, but one of my other favorite ways is to like take the hair and like wrap it around and make like a bun on top. But I'm so chaotic trying to do that right now. But back to the top ponytail. Okay, we are here to talk about the actual hair, not just the style. So let's get into it. So for my braiding hair, I use the Shake and Go 3X Freetress Braid 301 natural texture. This is pre-stretched, and this is number 30. So this is the color. So if we grab us a braid, preferably one in the front, this is the color of the braid. So ignore the boho hairs are different colors, so that's why that looks like that. But this is the 30 braided up. That is the color of the 30 braid. Now what is going on here that you can see with the different colors is that I have a boho piece that is 30, a boho piece that's 27, and then a boho piece that is 30 up here. So those are the three bohos. This is the ends of the braid. So that is why I have a very full boho with lots and lots and lots of hair on it. Now the real question everybody wants to know is, what is the curly hair? So let's get into it. So the curly hair, as you can see, most of the hair is on my head. I used 2 2/3 pack of the hair in 30, and then I used 1 pack of the hair in 27. I ran out of 27 hair, so as you can see, the pieces that I actually am trying not to call attention to are these blonde 613 pieces, some of which I've started the process of cutting them out. This was hair that was given to me by the braid shop. I was really about to walk down the street with not enough hair in my head to go buy more, but they found these pieces and just added them in. But as you can see, this is a different kind of hair, not the same quality. She looks a mess. You can see that the hair that I'm recommending to you is still holding a curl and looks like a curly piece, and not like a tatted rat-tat mess after a month. So bring extra hair. So I'm going to try and get her down. This is the Shake and Go Q hair, Water Bulk 18 in the shade 30. So this is the hair that was left over that didn't get used. As you can see, it has a beautiful deep wave, and although it might look too crinkly when you see it in its new state, as time goes on it drops and gets longer, but it also holds that firm curl, so that way it doesn't start to look straight and stringy after a couple weeks. So this is the Q hair from Shake and Go Water Bulk 18-inch, and this is the shade 30. But I also have shade 27 in my hair, but like I said, I just finished that pack, so I don't have the actual pack anymore. And I'm going to check really quick to see if I have a pack with the packaging on it, so that way you guys can see what the new packs look like. Okay, so we are back. So I have original packs of the hair. Unfortunately, the packs that I have are for 1B, or what color is this? It's black. It's 2. So unfortunately I have 2, so it doesn't look exactly the same because it's a different color, but I assure you it is the same hair. This is the only hair that I get for the boho, because the rest of the boho braid hairs, after a month the hair gets so straight and loses curl and it becomes stringy, and I don't like that. But this is the Water Bulk 18-inch. This is the hair I usually get. This is the hair I usually get. So this is my favorite hair. I love the Q hair. This hair is not full human hair. It is what you call a human blend. So it's human hair master mix. So it's like half human, half synthetic. But the humanness is what makes it be able to be deep conditioned, cleansed, and easily come back after touching water. The synthetic part is what makes it keeps this curl all this time and makes it really hardy to the sun and whatever abuses you can do to it. The human hair part is what makes you able to condition it, to separate it, and to easily detangle it compared to other hair. So personally, I do not use 100% human hair. I use human hair blend because it lasts longer. So those are the braiding hairs that I think you should use. I live and die by that hair. I don't switch it up, don't do anything different, because it is important to me that my hair lasts. Like I said, I am past a month. I'm probably gonna have these for 6 weeks. So in order for it to last that long, it's important that you invest and get the hair that is also gonna last that long. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Subscribe to the channel.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze.